What's going on YouTube? It's Tyler with High Crucible Steels. I just wanted to reach out and show you guys a new steel that I'm going to be sharpening today. This is a PM60 blade steel. Now this edge and this blade steel is known for its edge retention properties as well as its toughness and ability to just hold a very sharp edge for a long time. So I'm going to be sharpening and putting my own edge on this finally. I have been using it quite a bit, so I have dulled it out a little bit. It's not quite as sharp as it was. And yeah, after 5 seconds, we're right there on the money. Glad I did that because it doesn't line up with the line I made on my finger. So always check that before you start. Alright, now we start our sharpening process. Do have a bit of grip. This table's not the sturdiest, but it will do the trick because I'm only using 3 to 5 pounds of pressure when I sharpen. You also see me use an angle like this right here, just because this is a straight beveled and straight edge knife. I want to maximize the surface area of this stone as I'm using it, as I'm sharpening it. Okay, go ahead and lock that wrist, and since it is a straight bevel, it should be a little bit easier to keep my angle because the bevel is always in contact with the stone. Okay, so very quickly we are seeing our wear pattern on the heel and the tip, not so much in the center yet, which is very interesting, but I can already see those scratch patterns starting to form. And it's too soon to tell is what it really is. What are we hitting on over here? I feel like we're hitting on something. I'm really hoping that we're not. I see, goodness gracious. Okay, it's hitting right here. Goodness gracious alive. So this knife blade, the way that the plunge grind is done, it's actually got a beveled angle here, and when I lay it down flat and get too close, like choking up on that plunge grind, it hits. And I knew I was hitting something, but I didn't know what. Now I do. You got to be very careful with that whenever you're sharpening this particular knife because of that, the way they have that grind. It really is, I can't say that it's a flat grind because it looks more like a compound grind, but it does have a very thin edge profile, especially right behind the edge. Got to be careful. Now I know what I'm watching out for. It's actually got that on both sides, so I can actually really stay away from it. Good to know.